Hi, welcome to another video. Today we'll see how to install SharpBOM. So use your favorite browser. You should have received an email with an invitation. Just download the installer from it. Some browsers might block the file to download. So if that's the case, if you use Microsoft Edge for example, you should make sure that you keep the file and you download it. So search for a file block and select keep and make sure that you keep anyway. So SharpBOM is safe, it's a new product, new installer, so that's why it's still blocked by some browsers. It's pretty safe to run, and you can still run an antivirus check if you wish. So Windows Defender also blocks, so click just run anyway, and the installer will launch. Here read the license agreement, and if you are happy with it, just click accept, next. You can leave the default selection, the SharpBOM client and the SolidWorks add-in. You may choose to a different location and just wait for the install to finish. After installation, you may just run SharpBOM directly or just untick the box to launch it immediately. But the installer have created an icon, and you can also check if the SolidWorks add-in is properly installed. So open an assembly in SolidWorks and check if the SharpBOM buttons are available. So these buttons are only available for assembly files, not for part or drawings. If you don't see it, just go to add-ins and make sure the add-in SharpBOM is selected and on. That's it. Thanks and see you on another video.